Back in the day, when your children were building blanket forts in all of the bedrooms, the bathroom had waiting lines each morning, and your teenagers were fighting over the TV remote, there were times when even your spacious home felt too small to contain the chaos.
These days though, the majority of those bedrooms are rarely open storage, and the TV room has become a dust catcher. Your home may have features that will take a physical toll as you get older, like stairs, landscape, or even a steep driveway.
Weather in your area is also a consideration, as shoveling snow or mowing the lawn becomes more difficult with each passing year.
Whatever your motive for downsizing, an honest evaluation of your expectations is essential to make an informed decision, and we would love to sit down with you to help answer any questions that will arise.
As downsizing specialists, we can establish a course of action to fit your specific needs and lifestyle. We are here to listen and ensure a seamless process from start to finish.
When you're ready, we are too. We look forward to meeting you.